Welcome to our channel. If you want to clear your LinkedIn search history to maintain privacy and remove old searches, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open LinkedIn in your web browser or mobile app and make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Click on the search bar at the top of the page. This will open a drop-down showing your recent searches and suggested connections or companies. Step 3. Look for your recent search history displayed below the search bar. LinkedIn shows people, jobs, companies, and content you've recently searched for. Step 4. To remove individual search entries, hover over the search term in a web browser or long press on mobile. An X or remove option should appear. Step 5. Click or tap the X to delete that specific search entry from your history. The item will be removed immediately from your suggestions. Step 6. To access more comprehensive privacy settings, click on your profile photo in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. Step 7. Navigate to the Visibility section in the left sidebar, then look for privacy options related to your search history and activity. Step 8. While LinkedIn doesn't offer a bulk, clear all searches option, you can adjust your privacy settings to control who can see your profile views and limit data collection. Clear individual searches regularly for better privacy control. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.